Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do unboxing of my Dior beauty package. Okay, so excited! Alright. Okay, this is upside down. Oh wow! Hello baby. Ooh. I have this different box right now. This is, I guess, the spring design. So let's get into it. Ooh, it's beautiful. It's like pinky purplish color. Okay, and I got this thing. I guess this is the receipt. Thank you, husband. My husband bought this for me. Okay, this is the package. The box is the spring design. Okay, you can go there now. The big box is there. Okay, let me remove it. And this is the, let's open. Okay, so there's no ribbon this time. Okay, so there is the message. Dior. Hey you deserve it. XOXO. Can you see? Cute. Okay, this one there. And then let's open. I love opening packages. Oh wow, this big pouch. Here's the free pouch. Wow. You also have like the same design with the box. Yes, like that. It's the big. Yeah, you can put like your makeup, I think, or your, when you go to travel, you can put your, I don't know, anything, lotion, shampoo could fit here. And then this pouch. What's inside in this pouch? Dior perfume sample. Okay, I'm not going to smell it because it's gonna take time. Dior iconic over curl mascara, and then the Christian Dior Paris Grease Dior perfume. Cute. And then this Dior Forever Skin Glow. I think it's a foundation. Yeah, 24-hour radiant foundation. And then this Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. Oh, how cute, super small. It's really cute. It's small size. Is it? Can you see? Why it doesn't focus my camera? I hope you can see from here. So that's it. That's what inside here. And the next is the Dior Rosy Glow Color Reviving Powder Blush Natural Healthy Glow Effect. 001 pink. This is in the shade 001 pink. Oh my god, I don't want to break the box. Okay. Wow, pretty. Finally, I got this one. And then I got the Forever Skin Glow 24-hour Wear Radiant Foundation. Perfection and hydration concentrated in skincare. SPF 20. Oh, that's good. SPF 20. Wow, it's big. Yay. Nice. Nice. And this, I got the Miss Dior hair oil. Wow. Okay, let's open it. Oh my gosh. Wait. So we have also the hair mist. So I got the Miss Dior hair oil. Oh, how is this? Pull? Ah, okay. Okay, so it's like a spray. Wow. My hair is gonna smell good. Nice. It's nice container. Wow. Okay, that's it. That's inside. That's what inside of this Dior hair. That's all. Okay, let's put it back first. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing video. I got this beautiful samples. Very nice. Oh, I think I didn't show you the mascara. Let's open this. Wow, it's nice. Cute. Dior Show Iconic Overcard. It's like that. I think my camera is not focusing. Can you see it? Or my eyes is just blurred. Blurry. It's nice. Okay, I think I showed you everything, right? I showed you everything, correct? This one is just a sample of this one. The other one is, what was that? This one. This is the lip gloss. Yeah, I showed you. I guess that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel for more unboxing. And yeah, thank you for dropping by. Have a great day. Bye.